Friends, many times we are required to value closing stock on FIFO basis. This is typically observed in super bazaars dealing in foods and groceries or medical shops because these items are of perishable nature, or even in clothing because clothes can go out of fashion. So this video we will see how we can apply FIFO logic in Excel. Let's see. These are purchase or consumption transaction of XYZ product during the period. Date and vendor name, I have left it blank because it has no relevance here. First, let me sum total the inward quantity. So is equal to sum bracket open. I will select this complete C column, bracket close. 46 quantities are in the inward. Let's assume 24 quantities were sold or issued. So let's write as minus 24 because it is outflow. Naturally, closing quantity will be is equal to inward plus outward since I have prefixed it with negative sign. So 22 quantities are remaining in my stock. For FIFO, first we need to ascertain that which quantities out of these purchases are there in our stock. So let's determine this. So first I will go to the header row and link up this outward quantity here so that I can cumulatively calculate. Now from this row we will apply a formula like this is equal to this quantity plus whatever quantity is purchased. So we will go on reducing the outward quantity. Let me extend this. So we got cumulative quantity. Using this, now we can ascertain that which quantities out of these purchases are remaining in our stock. So let me name this column as lot quantity remaining. Now, from negative up to 0, no question arises that whether the quantity is remaining or not because it is already gone out of our stock. From positive point, okay, from positive, we need to ascertain that how much quantity of this purchase is remaining in our stock. So, naturally, lower of this is there in our stock. Let us formulate this. If this quantity is less than or 0 up to 0, naturally this quantity is not there in our stock. So 0, comma, otherwise lower of quantity purchased or quantity which is not exhausted, cumulative quantity which is not exhausted. Bracket close. Let us extend this formula. Okay, now 22 quantities were remaining. Let me total it up. 22. So this way we can ascertain what quantities from the respective lot are there in the stock. Now why I applied min, because at the cutoff, okay, at the cutoff, partial lot was remaining. Okay, partial quantity of the lot was remaining. So I had to apply this min formula. Coming to the valuation, that's easy. Value would be very simple, is equal to whatever quantity is remaining into rate. So I can even extend this by double clicking here. So this is my total value. Let me apply comma formatting for this. Total closing value is equal to sum and this column, and average cost would be is equal to total closing value divided by closing quantity, so average cost based on the FIFO. Let us check this mechanism. So if I make it minus 35, let me check the cutoff. Okay, so at the cutoff, see this is working, perfectly working. So this way you can value any closing stock based on the FIFO. I hope logic was clear. Many such videos are in pipeline. So stay tuned and subscribe to the Excel Keda channel and even like the video.